sugod Junior MP.
At changing teams, we are focused. We will see as we develop those who will NPL or Princess Champions. In today's represented by our Princess Eastern Impact Ballers.
Our second to the last game of our schedule for today dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas, Baron Mercado, covering the action. Bataan Almuete playing their second game as they face off against a team that has been really impressive so far. Itong Laguna Sprint Impact Ballers. Both teams heading in different directions. Itong mga naka-green lost earlier sa kanilang laro. Yun nga lang for Laguna, panalo naman sila courtesy of big performance by CJ Satparam. Again, my apologies for that last or yesterday's coverage. Nakalagay kasi sa aming listahan yung Baksal, so I kept on referring CJ as Baksal, but Coach Louis San Buenaventura, nasabihan na ako, CJ Satparam. Yan. Speaking of CJ Satparam, he was hounded inside and that will be a good matchup. Him and Johnson. It will be a good contest na ating aabangan dito. Uno Pineda, one of their guards here. Si Galias naman, para dito sa Bataan, siya yung nagpakitang gilas kanina. And the lone bright spot on that loss earlier. Let's see if they can shake things up. Talking about Almuete Camp Bataan. Sprint Impact Ballers, of course, led by Coach Louis San Buenaventura, one of the more active coaches in the developmental scene. Kahit saang liga, makikita mo yan, si Coach Louis and the Sprint Impact Ballers. That was Sam De La Cruz mishandling that pass. At tulad nga ng nakwento ko, itong si Sam De La Cruz was part of that under-18 San Anton team or under-17 San Anton team that won the championship last February sa ating Pocket League. First 2 points mapupunta dito sa Bataan. Looking to make their mark. Here's Narca. Di diskarte on this side. Jumper for Sam. De La Cruz will not get his own rebound. Box out by Johnson. On that quick cross. Back-to-back points So Bataan, nakita ko sa kanilang lineup right there, as you can see. Medyo mas marami na sila ngayon compared to kanina. Earlier, there were only at least 7 to 8 players available. Meanwhile, Sprint Impact Ballers from Laguna, sila ngayon ang didiskarte. Lamanilaw breaking some ankles. Johnson with a bump. Didn't go in. A rebound secured here by the guys in white. Uno Pineda looking for a teammate. Cannot make something doon si Justin Santos. Him and Sat Param ang aasahan dito. Here is Sat Param for his first two. CJ Satparam, the best player of the game nung kanilang previous win, talking about Sprint. Di makakakuha ng friendly roll. Santos secures that rebound. Another drive. Satparam and one. It was so impressive yung bench mismo ng Impact Ballers standing up for CJ Satparam. Timeout ang Bataan with CJ at the free throw area when we return.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
Satparam missing on the opportunity. Lamanilaw of the timeout and the rebound. Hindi makakakuha ng 3-pointer. Uno Pineda bringing the ball down for Sprint Impact. Behind the back, what a pass. Everything but that basket. A rare miss para kay Satparam on that close range basket. De Jesus looking to call out a play. A screen is made. And a beautiful tap right there by Narca. Five minutes remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. 6 seconds to shoot. Looking to make some plays. 1-2 pass and it's in. 6-4 is the score. Looking to recover quick. Itong Sprint, one-hand floater. That goes in. Miguel Narca scoring off the glass. All 6. So far, these two teams, itong pressure ng Bataan, really different, and lot of block by Satparam. Says no on that play. Had that layup. Decides to pass it on the last second. Johnson will score for 2. Eight to 6 is our total here. Finding a way, Satparam. Getting 8 out of their 6 out of their 8, I should say, para dito kay CJ Satparam. 3 minutes 50 to go and a steal here by Sprint. Leaking out, saktong-sakto, Narca. Will not get an end one, but will be at the line. In and out on that free throw, itong si Narca. Kenji Lucion has now come in here. Or Kenji Luzon, I should say, has came into this game for Sprint Impact. Bataan playing so well. Mukhang nakabawi na sila, and those additional players that has arrived for Bataan Almuete really helping their cause. Pero itong Sprint Impact di magpapabaya. 11-all is the score with 3 minutes 10 remaining. Looking to make some plays here. Drawing that foul, De Jesus will shoot 2 free throws as Renz Fernandez will be called for that foul. De Jesus knocks down the first one. .302 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. 13-11 lamang ang lamang ang Bataan, I should say. Davao was successful earlier on their beautiful game against Bataan, and now running free Cagayan and one. Keeping in pace, keeping in check, running in itong si Cagayan. 13-all. Misfires on the free throw. Bola babalik dito sa Bataan Almuete camp. As the guys in green, Camilo turns the ball away. Now on the drive, Fernandez with a score. La Manila looking to answer back, leaving Cagayan in the dust. That pass was read perfectly against 3 defenders. Shot didn't go in. Isa pa para kay Fernandez. Sayang yung pasa. Almost threading the needle. Aljon Serron was ready to shoot that one. Nawala nga lang sa kanya. 15-13 is the score. A minute 58 remaining. As they go for the jumper, leaning is De Los Santos. 15-all ang ating total. Nice easy basket. Finding Kenji Luzon. So back and forth we go once again. And we have seen this pace, we have seen this battle happen all throughout. Kung sino yung talagang makakakuha ng advantage as we get along, yun ang magkakaroon ng mataas na chance manalo despite how these teams play on the start. Here's De Jesus on that drive. Too strong on that layup. Babawi. He gets the ball back. De Los Santos for 3. It's in. 1 point lead, 17-18. Almuete Camp playing different today compared to their previous performance. It was a solid one for the winning team. Yun nga lang for Bataan, something that they can really forget. Pero itong si De Los Santos, so far di natin malilimutan ang kanyang contributions here in the first quarter. Another steal, another basket. It's good. 7-0 personal run para dito kay De Los Santos. 30 seconds to go of the spin. Luzon calls for travel. 22-17 is the score. 26.6 seconds remaining. 5-point advantage. Looking to create their separation here. 5-point lead. A steal by Fernandez. Throws it to no one. Here's De Jesus. A 3 by Camilo. Not your start if you are impact ballers. Beat the buzzer. Had a good line. What a start by Bataan Almuete. Everyone raining down De Los Santos with 7 straight points to give them this 8-point lead after the 3-pointer by Camilo. Sprint impact ballers needs to wake up if they want to be in this game. 25-17, end of the first.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to.
Second quarter action. Bataan Almuete Camp up here by 8 points, make it 10 to start off our second quarter after losing to Zamboanga Lambo Construct 104-64. Mukhang nakakuha, nagising dito sa ating camp for today. 27-17. CJ Satpatram, one of the lone spots here. Speaking of CJ, here he goes knocking down the 3. He has shown that range last game. Talking about Satpatram. Almost a running start para dito sa Laguna Impact Ballers. Nawala nga lang sa kanila. Bit too far. Let's see if this group here by Coach Luis San Buenaventura can get the railings off for his squad, and they will get a steal. Uno Pineda gets that tap. Here is Santos finding a Satpatram once again. Nakakarami na daw, sabi ni Madam MC dun sa kanilang lugar. Kanina pa yan from the first game towards now to our 9th. Santos hanging in midair for that jumper attempt. Didn't go in. Now looking for this basket. No good for Timbol. And the foul is called. I believe this is on the side of Impact, as Galias will now be on the line. The Descarte on this side. Galias with the miss on the first one. Galias secures the second 8-point lead, 28-20. Miguel Narca has checked back in. Cagayan naka-score ng 3-point play kanina. Here's Narca. 3, good! Hitting that 3-point shot as that follow-up, sticking it through that play. Balik sa 7 ang kanilang hinahabol. 23-30 is our score here with 7 minutes 20 to go. Thought about that 3. Good recovery by Uno Pineda but tapped it to the wrong person. As Timbol couldn't score on the first attempt, nung pangalawa pumasok na as Cagayan with a miss and keeping it up. Itong si Justin Santos who started off well on that previous game ng Laguna Sprint Impact. Tapos sinundan siya ni CJ Satpatram. And now, he's being the second leading scorer here. As Justina secures the bonus free throw, down by only 6. Itong Laguna Sprint and an offensive foul is called. (32-26). Pineda hasn't scored yet. Nice cut, his first 2 points. Uno Pineda successful on that drive. Kakasabi ko lang, di pa nakakascore. Gives us his first basket of the game. Timbol couldn't hit that mid-range jumper. Rebound secured by Cagayan, looking to cut this lead. Itong Sprint. CJ Satpatram. Making that basket was Satparam. 32-30. 2-point lead. Satparam has now waxed hot for the squad. Timbol couldn't make his second attempt. Here's Satparam. Balik kay Santos. Justin went airborne. And the two bigs para dito kay Coach Louis San Buenaventura working together. Justin Santos at the line at kanina naka-score CJ Satparam. Rolls out on the first attempt. Again, sa nanonood sa atin today, I'd like to apologize if I called Satparam si Baksal kahapon because on his jersey it says Baksal, but that is Uno Pineda. 100% as they give or he gives them a taste of the lead here, I believe, for the first time today. Rejected by Satparam. CJ playing well para maraming beses kong sabihin at banggitin ang kanyang pangalan in this contest. Finally, Uno Pineda breaking in with a 5 points here. Couldn't miss or make that one was Galias. Looking to break this one off again. Stop and pop. Jumper is good. (35-32). Couldn't get that end one. Kakascore lang kanina. Will be called for that foul. One of the players that played well, De Los Santos. Naka 7-point straight kaninang opening quarter. Looking to add more on his total. Knocks down the first one. Makes it both. Baba sa isa ang kanyang kalamangan. Talking about Laguna Impact Ballers. Nice drive. Cagayan will complete that play. And I would like to credit itong si Benoy Cagayan. He started this run para sa Laguna and now looking to continue this one for Impact Ballers coming from Laguna. Brought the energy on this lineup. Gets his own miss. Masyadong malakas para kay Benoy. And this time, it's Kenji Luzon. Balik sa kanila. Balik sila, I should say, at the free throw area. And with that said, Bataan Almuete Camp will call for time. 3 or 4 minutes, 26 remaining. 37-34. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Kenji Luzon will miss the free throw. So that's back-to-back misses para kay Benoy and Kenji. Couldn't give Laguna impact ballers a much needed space. Knocks down the second one, 1 out of 3 on their last 3 attempts. 4-point lead this time. After a slow start para dito sa Laguna, unti-unti na silang nakakabawi dito sa ating second quarter. Just the length, again, the energy of Benoy really giving them a huge boost. De Los Santos, smooth looking jumper. 2-point lead. Benoy Cagayan. Balik kay Kenji. Open 3 on the way. Nice look. Matthew Peteros. Kakapasok lang, inserting himself into the 3-point conversation as he gets a steal on the other side. Uno Pineda, nagmamadali on that right. Traveling, ang tawag doon ng ating referees. .320 remaining dito sa ating contest second quarter. De Jesus looking to break this in for 3 to answer. Benoy secures that rebound. It was tapped. Balik ang bola sa Laguna. Again, a better second quarter for impact ballers Laguna. One of the players din, ito, will receive that ball. Renz Fernandez that brought the energy in the second quarter. Hit a couple of threes, a stop and pop. This time, CJ Satparam will be at the line as he looks to add more points and give them their largest lead of the game or increase their largest lead of the game. CJ Satparam in and out on that free throw. Missed on both free throws. They are now 1 out of 5 on their last trip. Getting that call once again, Matthew Peteros. Nakatira ng 3-pointer kanina. So this is their 6th and 7th attempt. Isa pa lamang ang kanilang nako-convert on their last 5. Getting that friendly bounce. (42 to 20 of 42 to 36). 2 out of 7. They have missed 5 free throws. Talking about Laguna in this quarter alone. Pero lamang sila ng 6. Could have been up by a larger margin if they hit all their free throws. De Los Santos breaking free. Didn't go in. Big guy just get his stick back. Timbol just gets his rebound there and put back with last 2 minutes into the second quarter. Penalty situation para dito sa Bataan. Free throws na naman for Laguna. 2 out of 7 is the count. Missing on the second here. 43-38. As we have a timeout call here, a minute 43 remaining. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.
Para dito sa Laguna, pass was too high and they will not have this opportunity to increase the lead. Largest they got was at least 6 points, I believe. Para dito sa Eastprint Impact Ballers Laguna. Big three. Didn't go in. Ball is rescued by the guys wearing green. De Los Santos had that clean stroke. Fernandez secures that rebound. Laguna, they will make this move. Jumper won't fall. Timbol just raises his hand for that rebound. Forward pass. De Los Santos looked for that acrobatic shot. And a fight for that possession. (43-38). One bump, loss on that pass. A chance to run here. Easy two, what a spark. Matthew Peteros has at least 6 points in this quarter. He has been the difference maker so far. Pareha sila ni Benoy Cagayan. In terms of scoring, as you see on your screen, that's Coach Luis San Buenaventura. Looking in, Timbol with that alley-oop play, finding an open man, cutting the lead here to 5. Earlier was the largest lead at 7 for Laguna. Di Discarte, isa pa from way downtown. That is off to the right. Recovered shot. Peteros once again. Peteros with both misses, so 2 out of 9 in the second quarter. Yung kanilang free throw, almost a steal. It is recovered. Here is De Los Santos. 3 seconds to go. Put back is in, and they will enter the halftime down by 7, only down by 3 though. Lamang sila bago mag second quarter. Laguna Impact Ballers, maganda ang kanilang performance, 45-42. We are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para
Start of the third quarter. Laguna and Bataan only separated by 3 points. Uno Pineda has 5 points on that second quarter. Entering the first 2 points, Sam De La Cruz, that's his first 2 points as well dito sa ating contest, giving Laguna a 7 or a 5-point lead. Pero nabawi naman yan ni Galias on the other side. 47-44. Pineda looking to face off and cut off the defender, and a steal on the run-in, finishing that one home. Down by only 1. Let's see if Bataan can turn the tides here, having the lead majority of the way until Benoy Cagayan at itong sila Uno Pineda starting to shift the momentum on the side of Laguna. Needing to convert here to stop of a possible momentum shift, and a steal once again on the run. Galias for no! Was about to say going for 2, but better defense by CJ Satparam. Fakes on that attempt, another miss. Di pa rin makakuha ng kalamangan. All alone, Justin Santos will do the honors. 49-46 will be the tally, breaking down that score. Making that basket, baba ulit sa isa. Under 18 division turns it over. Bataan will have an opportunity. (49-48). Looking for their lead back. Lamanilaw will not handle that rock of that pass. 49-48. 7:20 remaining. Didiskarte dito ang Laguna, looking to increase this lead. Benoy attacks the baseline. And that is a violation on the side of Laguna, leaving the door open for Bataan. Can't make that basket. Maybe this time they will have the lead. Hindi pa rin. Another shot at this one. Finally, nadaan sa sipag. After 6-7 tries, Bataan finally regaining the lead. Sam De La Cruz and company, yung kanilang 7-point lead, now history. What composure shown here by Bataan. Pineda, balik dito kay Salm. Puts this one up. CJ for 3. CJ Satparam making that 3. A steal by Santos. Balik ang bola dito sa Bataan. Just like that. Cannot leave Satparam open. He can knock down those threes. Ooh. Butterfingers that time. That was an easy 2 waiting to happen. 2-point lead. Laguna looking to increase this one. Pineda was hounded by the defense as a Camilo will be called for that action. 52-50. Pineda sends it in the corner. Satparam had a good look. Luzon to CJ Satparam. (54-50). Now pressure defense being played here by Laguna, looking to get this ball back. Camilo has one three-pointer on his name. Gets another opportunity. This time Pineda was able to take it away. On the run, Justin Santos gets the ball back. Almost getting that three-point play opportunity. Unselfish play there on the side of Impact. Justin Santos making the first one. 55-50. 4 minutes 40 to go in this third quarter action. Missing that free throw. Luzon gets that rebound. Pineda all day to shoot. Couldn't get that call. Outlet pass. Saktong-sakto. De Jesus. (55-52). Satparam gives it on this drive. Basket is good. Snarka continues to score here. Nice read on that one. They have numbers. 5-on-2 break. Just putting the ball and one. CJ Satparam helping his squad here run away with the victory. 7-point lead once again. 59-52 with 3:59 remaining. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay.
CJ Satparam looking to add more on the board. At least 3 out of 9 from the free throw area on my count. 8-point lead, largest game of the lead. Largest lead of the game, I should say, para dito sa Laguna. Had my words scrambled up. Satparam secures that rebound. Miguel Narca looking to make their move. What a pass, what a find. Justin Santos, Miguel Narca working together, giving Laguna double-digit lead. Easy basket. Nice response by Bataan. 62-54. Di diskarte, Narca, jumper is in. Approaching the last 3 minutes dito sa ating third quarter. Makakabawi ba sa tres? Medyo bitin on the right and now going to push here. Narca with a dribbling exhibition. Spins away from De Jesus. Di makakakuha ng puntos. 64-54. Stepping in. Basket is good. A must-win for either teams here as Miguel Narca continues to play well, running that point. Nice read. Matthew Peteros, the spark off the bench. He has been Mr. Reliable for Coach Luis San Buenaventura. Ever since magpasok ng second quarter, really had a positive impact, no pun intended, into this ball game. Stepping na on that last one. Satparam will be called for that violation. Again, Johnson. This time si Luzon ang bumabantay sa kanya. A minute 49 remaining into this ball game. A third quarter action. Lamanilaw looking to make something here. Shot clock violation. (68-56). A minute 15 remaining. Narca sends it to Benoy. Balik dito kay Miguel. Narca again, too strong. Luzon will tap it back to Narca. Miguel on that pass will be recovered by Benoy. 5 seconds to go. Satparam, mintis ang kanyang 3-pointer. Balik ang bola dito sa Bataan Almuete Camp. Having a solid start at the beginning of this game. Now trailing by 12, 68-56 as we are nearing the end of our third quarter. No outside shots yet into this third quarter. I believe those 3-pointers, those mid-range jumpers come in few para dito sa Bataan. .6 knocking down the first one. Makes it both. 34.6 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Laguna looking to cap off a wonderful third quarter led by CJ Satparam and Miguel Narca. Gotta give a special shout out as well. Matthew Peteros and Justin Santos having a solid performance as Kenji Luzon. Siya naman ang masusubukan sa free throw area. Galias bago umupo, showing some sportsmanship dito kay Luzon. Hits front iron on that free throw. Rattles in the second. Balik sa 11. Ang kalamangan 69-58. 3 on the way. That is off. Fights for that rebound. Makukuha ng Almuete Camp. Hindi nga lang makakonvert ng second chance opportunities. .1 seconds remaining. Lamanilaw sends it outside. Stepping through. 3 is in. A much needed 3 by De Jesus. 8-point lead. Nagmamadali ang Laguna. Salm couldn't end the quarter the way he started with a made basket. Pero Laguna up here by 8. End of the third quarter. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari in the final quarter when we return.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah.
Start of the fourth quarter. Turnover agad para sa Bataan and 2 points para kay Sam De La Cruz. Again, opening the fourth quarter with a basket. The way he started the third quarter, talking about Sam De La Cruz. Johnson making some space. What a move. Strong basket by Johnson. Sam fakes flyby. Di makakakuha ng basket. Here is Luzon, won't fall. Another opportunity. Balik sa free throw area ang Laguna Impact Ballers. Kenji Luzon missing on the first one. Referee signaling an unsportsmanlike foul. Sam De La Cruz is down. Didn't see what happened there, as it really happened off ball, off cam. Naka-focus tayo dun sa free throw kanina. And Sam De La Cruz being surrounded here by his teammates. Just falling down on that last one. All smiles para dito kay Salm. Isa rin sa mga players na nasusubaybayan natin dito sa kanyang development. Covered him, played in the under 18, under 16 squads 2 years ago, I believe. So, nice to see these players rise up on the ranks and develop their skills. Meanwhile, for Bataan, it was a good first quarter. But ever since losing that lead, nagkaroon na ng difficulty. Nagkaroon na ng challenge itong Bataan to keep in pace with Laguna. Meaning 2 free throws and the ball possession. Sam De La Cruz looking to score his 5th and 6th points. Knocking down the first one. As Johnson looks on. 1 out of 2 para kay Salm. 5 points pa rin. Couldn't make it 6 pero kanila pa rin ang bola. Pag nakascore siya dito, will be 7 point. Luzon provides that pick. Sends it out. Uno Pineda. Couldn't get that 3-pointer to go. Almost throwing it to no one. Stepping in. Masyadong malakas yung 3-pointer. And it is rescued. None other than CJ Satparam. Drops it off to his co-big. Santos was in better position. Love to see that big-to-big passing. Just erases the defense. De Los Santos scoring again. One of the players that really showed up for Bataan. CJ, 3. That is off the mark. Another player is down as Luzon struggling to get his way up. Goes for that drive. Wild reverse. Didn't go in. Recovered here. Satparam will recover this ball. CJ drops it off. What a play. That's 7 points para kay Sam De La Cruz. Nice block. Good anticipation by Justin Santos. Johnson looks for a friend. Bumps, lose the ball, and now a chance to score once again. Satparam, bump, shoot. Bitin yung kanyang leaner on that one. De Jesus finds a way. Closed door policy here for Luzon and the whole Laguna squad. Santos, 6 points at least in this quarter. Just running away with this one is Laguna. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
.7:05 remaining. Dito sa fourth quarter, another steal. Santos once again. This time, Benoy sends it to Matthew Peteros. Lead now is at 16 points, breaking free. Hits all board. Peteros once again gets that possession. Santos with a touchdown. All Laguna so far. Ending the bleeding finally. Getting that basket in for Bataan. 15-point lead. Laguna has been in good rhythm into this fourth quarter. Corner shot, Peteros. All air on that one. Counter steal, jumper. That is good for Sam De La Cruz with 9 already. As he looks to enter double digits. On the other side, tatawagan ng foul itong si Miguel Narca. It's 85-68, 1 out of 2 from the free throw area as we are nearing the halfway point mark of our fourth quarter action. Second to the last game ng ating 10-game schedule. And that is a big 3 by Justin Santos. First half of action, it was CJ Satparam. Ngayon naman si Justin Santos showing us his range, showing us his repertoire of weapons. That time, he chose to show us his long-range skill, increasing the lead to 20. Drop pass was anticipated and basket goes in. De Los Santos securing that one. Eight, 88-70, I should say. Here is Narca. Had that shot, fading away, a tough basket. Just a quick response there. Laguna looking to finish this one on a high note. as they enter to prepare the next round. Back-to-back baskets though para dito sa Almuete camp, and if Bataan can able to make a comeback, a run, ika nga dito, will be interesting in this under 18 division. Ooh, tough look, what a pass by Santos, finding Benoy on that last one. Cagayan with an impressive basket, and what's more impressive was that pass made by Santos. Peteros with a steal on a run-in. Narca went behind his back, a bit too fancy. .325 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter action. De Jesus looking to score here. That is off the mark. Cutting into this lead, an 18-point lead. Referees call a whistle. Long range bomb is good. De Jesus come knocking down that 3-15 pa rin. 15 ang kalamangan dito ng Laguna. All they need to do in the last 200 seconds is to hold on, increase the lead, and they will be at least qualified on the next round. What a pass. That basket goes in. Peteros has been really instrumental in this run by Laguna. Muntik na tayong matamaan doon as a Dingle and company still looking for some rhythm. With 2 minutes 10 remaining, De Jesus has hit that long range shot earlier and it is recovered. A pass that was intended for Dingle was anticipated. That's 5 straight points para dito kay De Jesus. 94-78. Looking good. Nice look. Pass is in. Fernandez to Kenji Luzon. And we'll just hold on for this one. Impressive comeback by Laguna into that first quarter slow start. Kenji again. (98-79). Looking to score the century mark. Itong Laguna, they will do just that. Everyone in good mood right now. Coach Luis San Buenaventura though, all business pa din. Kahit lamang na sila dito ng 19, still continue to preach good basketball dito sa Laguna Sprint Impact Ballers. 81-100. Again, finding an opportunity. That's 6 points already in a span of what? A minute para dito kay Kenji Luzon. De Jesus has scored the last 5 points. Here he is once again. Shoots it. Can't make it this time. 102-81, 104-81. Peteros and company, impressive once again. This time able to overcome a good run, a good start by Bataan Almuete camp. But for this team wearing green, losing 2 games today, it will be tough for them on their way home. 104-81 Laguna Impact Ballers securing this win in the under 18 division. 9 games down, 1 to go in the under 21 naman. That will be our final game dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga